number. It allows people to pay taxes without having a Social Security number. It's something the IRS encourages. They like ITINs. They won't say no to the revenue coming in.
Andrew, what
Yeah.
happens if you cannot help someone? Do you report them?
Oh, absolutely not. No, I have an obligation as a lawyer. I've taken an oath of confidentiality.
Oh.
So that's one thing about being a lawyer that attaches. Right.
And do people who can afford paying you, do you also take them on, or just you take them on?
I'm glad you asked that. What we do a sliding scale. So we start, first of all, we start below where private attorneys are, and there's an income screen. So if somebody's making 6 figures with 3 people in the household, we say, look, you can afford a private attorney. So we give them a recommendation to private attorney. From there, we look at family size and family income, and we start ratcheting downward. So it's a sliding scale. Ultimately, we do cases on pro bono whenever we can. But as a newer nonprofit, we've been around for about 2.5 years now. So as a newer nonprofit, we're an inverted triangle with a number of pro bono cases that we can handle. We have a limit. And over time, the goal is to turn the triangle right. And that comes through fundraising, through building awareness.
Sure.
So how long does it take to get someone through your process?
It depends on the relief available to them. With somebody like Martha, it's taken about 3 years now. So she's able to start working fairly soon, within 90 days. We get her a temporary work permit, and she's on the path. No, she's not on the path. She's not going to become a citizen tomorrow. She's got to be a permanent resident. She's got to have her green card, not commit any criminal, any crimes. After 5 years, then she can apply for citizenship. So one of the conceptions is that are we trying to make citizens automatically? No, there's a process people have to go through. There's kind of a test period called lawful permanent residency. My wife is a lawful permanent resident. She has been for 20 years. She's much beyond the 5 years needed. And but she's from Japan, and Japan has some laws that make it difficult for her to be with her parents if they get sick. So she's opting now to not yet become a citizen.
Which countries are the ones that allow you to become a citizen of the United States when you come here?
There are no countries that you automatically become a U.S. citizen.
Cuba, one of them?
Cuba has a lot of special rules.
Yeah.
Cuba allows you to become a permanent resident,
Okay.
allows you to get a green card, but there's that wait period,
Okay.
and it's either 3 or 5 years, depending on that person, on a lot of things. But yeah. All right, so please, if I can answer any other questions, let me know. If you golf, come support a good cause, help to end domestic violence for a lot of people who are in dire need. Thanks.
Thank you.
Krista, you want to talk about